Hey everybody, welcome back to Woodness Goodness. I'm your host Graham, and today is very exciting because I want to feature the individual who won the grand prize for the What I Built During 2020 competition. So we're gonna show his project, and we also had him out to see the cabin in real life. And here we are.
Hi, I'm Eli.
Yeah, baby, let's go.
My name is Eli Chapman, and I'm building a tiny house. So I bought a trailer for $180 off of Craigslist. It's actually a boat trailer for a bass boat. But yeah, we're gonna build the base out of 2x4s. It's gonna be an 8x7. Got a $40 sliding door that we found at some dude's house. Pretty much framed up these two walls. We just have to film the jack, and now we're working on the roof. We're framing out the fort. Yeah, hopefully we can get it done tonight. Roof is a shed style roof. It's tin roof still. We are putting on the porch. We'll see if we can get it done. I have my friend Cooper, and he's going to help us out with the siding today. Up the trim, we just have to do a couple more pieces and then we're done. We are putting on the hardy board. It's like a concrete shingle pretty much. Painting the siding. And maybe get started on the trim today. We're painting the trim today. We're gonna paint it white. Now we've been stockpiling old pallets and everything, and we're planning to recycle them to the walls inside the tiny house. So today we are putting in the flooring. Hello, I'm Eli from the Half Fairly YouTube channel, and I built this tiny house. It's pretty awesome, and make sure to go subscribe to my channel, and of course subscribe to Woodness, the best YouTuber out on the platform. He's mwah! Let's go check it out! Woo!
Ah, wow. That's nice. Behind me is the winner. Oh, no. Crap. Redo. All right, let's go in there, dude. You got to tell me what you think. I need to hear it from you.
Whoa, it's so much bigger in real life.
Don't lie. So tell me, what motivated you to build your own tiny house on wheels? Or tiny cabin on wheels? Or what do you like to call it?
Tiny house.
What got into you, bro?
This channel, the, Woodness vibes,
Meanwhile, this is Parker, his brother, who made that epic video you guys watched.
So if you like that build, make sure to go over and subscribe to my channel, which is in the link in the description below, and get after it. Get after it and subscribe to Woodness.
That's it, baby. That's the magic.
Yeah.